was talking with a friend over the weekend, and we were discussing the idea of creating a new game where it's kind of strategy based in a way, and you send mass amounts of troops at each other's little bases, if you will, in hopes that you penetrate and cap and win the battle. Now, this isn't an easy task to do. And while I spent a good chunk of the weekend actually developing a simulator for this, what I'm going to be coding here is an early prototype of it. So let me pull up my notes again so I can see what I have to do. Okay. Now, first things first, so let's start it up. PHP. This time, I'm actually going to do block code. Create a unit simulator. Create an attack formula. Create a form for users to enter specific information. And, let's see. Let me check my code again. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now, first things first, we need to create a form. If you do not know how to create a form, I suggest you learn how. But if you don't, I'm here to show you. Okay. If post... Oh, wait, nope, we don't want... If is not set... let's see, what's a post value? Let's just do attacker troops. Okay. There we go, and let's do that. Okay, tab on over. And now let's create our form. Okay. Echo, or you can jump out of PHP, which I think I will do. Okay. Form method equals post. Okay. It's just a post. And that just means, none of the information will be sent over the URL. I think I did a video concerning that. You can find it out, or you could go watch it. I'll probably put an annotation or something linked to it. Maybe, if I remember. Okay, so we got a form. Now we need to add a couple inputs here. Input type equals number. Number this will only be effective on HTML5 browsers. So, I mean, most modern day browsers will do this, but, hey, it might not. When you open it up on your phone, though, it'll open up a keyboard that just shows numbers, which is awesome. It just makes it easier for the end user. If they don't support number, it'll just be a normal text field, which is fine. Okay, now we need to name this one Attacker Troops. And let's make this a required field and a minimum of 0. Now, if we were to, let me zoom out a little more. Let's just close the form real quick. There we go. You see we got a field, and there you go. Okay. Okay. Now let's just take this, copy this. 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's just let's name this Defender Troop. Defenderer. Now this one's Fortification. I probably really typoed that. Attack strength and defense strength. Okay, that's it. But you notice okay. Well, let's clean it up a little bit. Bold. Attack troops. Okay, there. I think I'm gonna do it like that. Okay. Break. Okay, we got a new line. Okay. Be defenders. Defender troops. Okay, there we go. Break. And I'm just gonna do the rest all the way down. This one's Defenders Fortification. Okay, and break. Oh, I already noticed something. We need that to be required. Okay, whatever. Attack units strength. Okay, and break. Defend units strength. There we go. And now we need to put a input down here. Input type equals submit. Value equals value. This one will set what it says on the button. So let's just say fight on. Close that out. There we go. All right. I have a cat somewhere around here. Okay. So we got the form, which is awesome. Now we need to do an else here. And let me check my code. Okay. And now we need to create an array real quick. Okay. In my example, I used Marines. I'm just going to use unit info equals that. Okay. This will create an array for us. Attack equals, let's just do post attack strength. Okay, and need to close that out, comma. Let's take that, copy, paste. Defense equals defense strength. Okay. Now, okay. Before we get to that, though, we need to sanitize it. I have my window open, so you could probably hear a lawnmower, you know, just about everything. Okay. So, attacker troops equals is set and is numeric and is an absolute integer val. Attacker troops, and if that fails, it just sets it to nothing. Okay, and we just do that for the rest. I got the code here. You can pause the video to find out what all happens and all that. There you go, defender troops. Fucking birds! Shut up! Shut up, birds! Bird is the word. Bird is the word. Okay, and we got two more. These ones, I think I just named them that. Attack strength. Okay, let's just paste. Paste. I should actually just copy the paint or the strength. Paste. 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 Okay. Now, as you see, okay, we got the thing sanitized. Okay. All good. All good. Now, this one's actually pretty new to you. If you've been following my series, we're doing a while loop here. While attacker marines are greater than 0. Okay. Now, I made up a defense and attack formula. I mean, you can make your own if you wish, and I actually suggest you do. Well, I mean, in this case, you don't have to, but play around with it. Okay. Defense. Oh, that's a comment. Defense formula equals, let's see. Okay, Marines info defense times empty rand 1 through 100 plus fortification. Is it just one? Oh wait, oh, this one's a post. I didn't. Yeah, oh well. Post fortification times 5 divided by 100. There. Don't forget your semicolon here, and I'll zoom out a little more so you can see the whole formula in its entirety. Defense formula. Okay, let's just. Okay, I forgot something somewhere. Okay, well, we need a parentheses there. Okay, that looks good to me. Okay, refresh. Make sure. Here, actually, you can actually see. These have, you know, a little number thing. There we go. Okay, that's the defense formula. The attack formula equals, let me just copy it over real quick. Marines info attack times empty rand between 1 and 100 and divided by 100. This is very basic. I think in the improved version I'm working on, there's this luck factor, which is just a random number between, what was it, 0 and 60. It just adds more fighting force, if you will. All right. Now. Oh, I've got a cat. Hi, cat. Hi. 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 Oh, going in the window. Okay, let me see. Am I still in frame? Yep. I think I need to move my face. Go over there. There we go. Ha. Okay. Let's minimize that again. Oh, come on, cat. Don't do that. Okay. Now we need to still be in this while loop here. Okay. This one's actually fairly easy. If defense formula is greater than attack formula. Okay, that means just the attacker 1, which is very simple. Okay. Oop, cat thinks it called her. It would be. Okay, post attacker troops equals post attacker troops -1. Okay. Hi, cat. Get out of here. Go. Good cat. Okay, else that means the attacker 1. So that would be post defender troops equals post defender troops -1. I believe there's an easier way to do that rather than typing it out. I do not know offhand. I'm sorry. Okay, now we need to do if post defender defender troops equals 0. We echo the attacker. The attacker has won this battle and killed and lost attacker troops units. Okay. Okay, and then we also need, oh, nope, we need to do one more thing, and we need to do a break. We need to break out of the loop. And if post attacker troops equals 0, we just do the same thing. Let's just grab this. There we go. And defender troops? I think and we just echo out the defender has won this battle and lost X troops. Okay, that should still work. Yep. Okay, so now we get to play around with it. That's all the code, 100% honestly. 10, 10, 0, 1, and 1. Undefined variable attacker marines. On line 42. Okay. Oh. Oh! Oh. Whoops. Okay, sorry, I adapted straight from my old code there. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, yep, sorry, I adapted straight from my old code. That's okay. Okay, that's a little weird. Oh wait, no, that's fine. I thought I only specified 1, but here, as you see, the attacker has won this battle and lost 4 units. The defender has won this battle and lost 7 units, etc., etc. Now, if you prefer, you can also, inside these, just type in, you lost a unit, or the attacker has lost a unit. And also do the same for down here, but just replace it with the defender. The defender has lost a unit. Let's make sure to break. Now this will create a larger file, but you can see how the attack went. The attacker lost a unit, the defender lost a unit, the defender lost a unit, etc., etc. Now let's make it a little more challenging. Let's do a defense. Okay. Fight on. Now you can see this is a longer battle. the defender has lost a unit, and yeah, so this will create home field advantage, so to speak. I mean, depending on how high you set the defender's fortification will really affect how powerful those troops are. Watch, if we do this, the defender will win, most likely. The attacker won. Really? It's probably an error. Let me see here. The attackers won this battle. That is a little weird. You know what? I think I might have... No, not typoed. That is a little weird. Wait, it's probably because it's... that. Yeah, okay. The defender has won and lost 15 units. The attacker has won and lost 10 units. Oh, wait. No. Oh! Oh, and has... Okay, and has... Okay, this is how many units left. Okay, my bad. And has 5 units left. So, I mean, it's a pretty close battle in the end. Now, let's set the fortification up really, really high. Actually, that doesn't even seem to have an effect, does it? Units info defense, whatever. Anyway, there's the code for you. I'll put it in a paste bin if you really, really want it. Yeah. So that's that. It really is. That's simple. Oh well. I'm signing off. I just spat everywhere. What the fuck? Oh well, I'm signing off. I hope you like the code. If you do, a like and subscribe will actually be very beneficial to me. It'll help me help you help me. Yeah, you didn't think you'd be helping me twice, but you are. And I know just as much. I know just whatever. Shut up, Ryan. End the fucking video.